Oy, hello. Andyan ka na? And ready for this video? Well, saan ka man ngayon? I should say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ang importante po, ikaw ay safe ngayon. And yes po, totoo. We are in a synchronization class for this week. And I welcome you for our first semester this academic year 2026-27. Well, my name is Gina Hironga and you can call me Ma'am G, Ma'am Gina, or Ma'am Hironga. I will be your learning facilitator for this subject. But wait, not only this subject. Okay, possible there are some subject, also major subject in Bachelor of Physical Education na i-handle ko. Okay, for, let's say, excited na ba? Or ready na ba? Oh, third year na kayo guys. So, ready na ba na mag-TikTok sa on-site class? Okay. But in the meantime, I want you to guide for this week because we have several things to do. First, I want you to read the letter coming from Dr. Edison Fermin so that you will be able to understand why we are in asynchronous class right now. So kindly check it in your Google Classroom. Okay, post muna ako. Then find it the letter, read, and understand. So, nakita mo na. Okay, very good. Okay, after that, may mga tanong lang po ako about you. And no need to check an AI just to give an answer. Okay, may mga tanong lang po dyan sa Google Classroom that you have to answer honestly in a creative way. Yes po, that's all about you. Okay, that's all about you. And for you think that Google Classroom is only posting for announcement. Well, I beg to disagree because Google Classroom, it could be our venue to chat and for an interaction. Okay? Interaction with each other. Kung may tanong po kayo sa akin, that could be the best venue for this week class. Okay, so might be this week I'm going to post some quizzes. And do not worry for the scoring na makukuha ninyo. Kahit mababa kayo sa quiz natin for this week, it's okay. Because that's only the baseline on how far your knowledge about the course, about this subject. So, hindi po kailangan matakot. Okay? So, that's our activities for this week. And lastly, you can reach me out if you have any questions. You can chat at me on sa stream and via email. Okay, I'm going to post my email ad in our Google Classroom. Okay, I want you to familiarize all the content of our Google Classroom. Smile naman kayo dyan. Last na to. Promise. Okay, so if you reach this part of video, I want you to comment sa stream ng Google Classroom. Comment, I got it, excited, I got it, ready na mag-TikTok, okay? And I will consider your comments as your participation. So, makaka-receive po kayo ng participation points for this week. Okay? So, ready na? And let us make this semester a success. Okay, let us have more TikTok dance to come. And welcome, Kakampi. See you!